Days after a motor vehicle accident can feel overwhelming. If you're used to a daily routine, a sudden injury can leave you sidelined and unsure of what comes next. That's where income replacement benefits in your Ontario auto insurance policy come into play. This coverage can help replace part of your income if you can't work because of accident-related injuries and can help cover costs while you recover. You qualify for income replacement if you were employed, self-employed, or receiving employment insurance at the time of the accident and your injuries prevent you from performing the main duties of your job. Ontario Auto Insurance groups injuries into 3 categories based on severity: minor, non-catastrophic, and catastrophic. Here's how the income replacement benefit applies in each case. Minor short-term injuries that keep you off work for a few days usually would not qualify for income replacement. That's because the benefit has a 7-day waiting period before payments can begin. When recovery takes longer but is non-catastrophic, for example, a shoulder injury keeps you home for 3 months, the benefit can provide 70% of your gross income up to the coverage limit selected. You can choose higher weekly limits depending on your anticipated needs. In life-changing catastrophic situations that leave you permanently unable to work, the income replacement benefit can continue long-term. Payments remain subject to eligibility and may be adjusted for other income sources, such as Canada Pension Plan disability benefits. You can purchase optional upgrades that extend the duration and amount of these payments. The road to recovery can be unpredictable, but the income replacement benefit provides financial assistance, making it easier to stay hopeful and focused on healing. Learn more about accident benefits by exploring our website or reach out to your agent or broker.